Hey, this is Richard Massey for Schultz Ford Lincoln Mercury in Harmarville. Hey, I'm taller than somebody, okay? Pittsburgh's #1 and only Ford Lincoln Mercury dealer in one location under one roof, and it doesn't leak. I will tell you that we are absolutely excited. The Lincoln Mercury event, the Lincoln launch event, the Mercury month. We're going to talk about it. I'm going to show you what it is. Now, don't forget, on an MKX, or MKT, that's a T. This all these alphabet letters. I never did do well with that. MKT is 0% for 36 months. We have a Lincoln MKS for $499 a month and an MKZ for $399 a month. You can see, and I'm going to tell you guys, these are absolutely amazing leases. It doesn't take a lot of money to get into them. They're absolutely amazing. The Mercury Milan, 0 for 60, right? Or the Mariner, 0 for 60, plus or $2,500. Is it plus? It's or $2,500 cash back. So 0% for 60 months. That's a big thing. That's a really big thing. We got plenty of them. Lincoln Mercury in Harmarville, Schultz Ford Lincoln Mercury in Harmarville. Probably have, how many new vehicles do we have here? Why? You're fired. 400 new vehicles. Well, we're going to get that down pretty quick, okay? And I will tell you that it's never been a more exciting time, more exciting products. We are very, very fortunate to be Pittsburgh's #1 and only Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury dealer in one location under one roof. Nobody else can say that. Nobody else has it, and that's why they can't say it. But the 0% offering on the MKT for 0 for 36, the 0% offering on the Mariner, the 0% offering on the Milan, the $399 lease on the MKZ, and the $499 month lease on the MKS. But remember, for the best price and the best selection, you can get that at Schultz Ford Lincoln Mercury in Harmarville.